Here is a short tutorial on how to put together an Erbauer Holesaw. The arbor screws directly into the Holesaw, but on this particular model, there are two drive pins that connect into the Holesaw, which prevent the Holesaw from getting jammed on the screw threads and help to hold it all in place during tough drilling jobs. Start by pulling back the collar to retract the pins, then screw the arbor fully into the Holesaw. The pins will not initially line up, so just screw back a little until the pins and the holes line up. Then push the collar forward to engage the pins. Once they are fully in, you can screw the back nut to tighten up against the collar. This will engage the pins, and you're all set to start drilling. You don't need to remove the split washer, that's just for cleaning and maintenance. When you're done, just reverse the process by undoing the back nut and releasing the pins. The arbor can then be unscrewed from the Holesaw. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.